Hey jerks, I know it has been a long time since I made a video. I said I wasn't gonna make videos anymore, but today I am going to make another one. But quick update. There is no more cum stain. There is no more white turbo Miata. Stop asking me about it. I still have the 90, I still have the 2016, I still have the Dadmobile. I do not have that car anymore. Yes, it was great, it was a lot of fun. It had to go. Couldn't fix the oil problem. So be careful when you're replacing that rear main seal because you will screw it up, and if you screw it up, it's screwed up. Anyway, what are we doing today? Today, we're doing an oil change on the 1990. But better than that, I have a guest star, if you will. There she is. That is Leslie, and she has herself a little Miata as well. Where is it?
Where is it?
It's
at home.
It's at home because...
The tags need to be updated.
Tags need to be updated. So you just recently learned how to drive, is that correct?
Absolutely.
You didn't even have a driver's license?
No, that was illegal.
So at the ripe age of
24.
At 24 years old, she got her license and she bought herself a Miata.
Yes.
So she's going to be changing my oil today so that she can learn how to do basic random stuff for a Miata, because I think you said yours has a little stuff that you need to learn how to do. Sure. Good, watch my channel, I've done everything. So anyway, we're going to, first thing we need to do, what do you think the first thing we need to do? Jack up the car, that's right. That's what we're gonna have to do first, is jack up the car. And then we're gonna do that, and we'll be right back with that. Ta-da, car's jacked up. Leslie helped. So what's next?
Popping the hood.
Popping the hood, go ahead.
All right, what do I do?
It's in there.
Oh, is it? I knew that.
Okay. What's in there?
The gas pump.
Correct.
That's what I was thinking.
Gas pump. All right, do you know how to open the hood?
No.
Try it. All right, there's a little latch sort of in the center of it. And you should have to move it to the side.
To the side.
You got to move it and then let it come up. Maybe move it the other way, other direction. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's right here. Okay.
Oh my god, okay, I was fingering the wrong one.
Whoa! She was fingering the wrong one. Before we put oil in, we have to...
Unscrew it?
No. Before we physically put more oil in...
Check the measurement of it.
Yeah, but we have to take all the oil out.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well,
I don't...
go ahead.
Am I going all the way?
Yeah, you gotta go all the way.
Right.
All right. So...
Is it gonna be over here?
Well, it's gonna be a lot closer to the front of the car, the motor. So
Okay.
we'll probably need to move this so that you can go that way.
Gotcha.
All right, so keep going under
Okay.
and stop right there.
Okay.
Okay, see that big bolt right there?
There's a lot of this one.
That one.
Okay.
That is the oil drain plug.
Okay.
That is what we're going to loosen to let all the oil fall out.
Gotcha.
And that's a 17. See if that fits.
Where are we at? Where'd it go? There it is.
Yep.
No, it's too small.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, I'll try a 19.
Okay. Yep.
Are you
Fits.
sure?
It should fit.
It's
yeah.
not wiggling?
Just a wee bit. But
You're
it looks
wiggling
like
it just a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there anything smaller than this one?
What?
No? Okay.
How dare you? Sorry. So there's your ratchet.
Love it.
You know how to stick that on there?
Hell no.
Press the no, silly. You gotta put the 19 on it. There you go.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're learning.
Okay.
You gotta press the little back button in, so
This
then
one?
there you
Gotcha.
go. Now it's on.
Okay.
Okay. Now you gotta make sure it's going in the right direction. So
So it needs to go the other way then.
correct.
So flip the switch.
You got it.
Got it.
A plus.
All right.
All right. Now, what do you think will happen if you take out that bolt?
Shit's gonna pour all over me.
I'm sure everybody would love to see that, but we're not gonna do that, gentlemen.
Okay.
Sorry, jerks. All right, so I'm gonna get you a drain pan.
Okay.
Drain pan.
Yes.
All right, so this
Excellent.
is definitely going to go about where that will fall out of there.
Okay.
Good, okay. Now, there's almost zero chance you'll be able to get that bolt out,
Okay.
but you give it a shot, see what happens. Now, the cool thing is, it will not just come pouring out as soon as you loosen it.
Okay.
So you actually physically have to take it all the way out for it to do that.
Okay.
Let's see, I guess that would be
This way.
counterclockwise.
Yeah.
Wait, how are you doing it?
Use the switch. There we go.
There, that's what you're gonna do. No?
Nope.
Yeah, I imagine it would be hard. Oh. Well, don't do that.
No.
I'll get it loose.
Okay.
Okay. So that's all you really gotta do.
Okay.
Now, you're gonna put this here.
Mm-hmm.
Now you're gonna go ahead and let it come out. What do you think's gonna happen?
I'm scared, Greg.
Uh-oh. Nope, that's the right bolt.
Shit.
Oh no. You did it.
Yay!
All right, so I'm gonna get you what we in the industry like to call a napkin or a towel.
Okay. Oh, fuck.
You hold that.
Yep.
That's all right. Everybody does that.
Okay.
Okay. Good footwear, by the way. That is perfect to be wearing for car work.
Love it.
Good job.
Thanks.
Okay. So we'll wait for that to drain, and then we're gonna get to the filter. Okay, we are now at the filter place of this thing, and I've already told her where it is, and she's gonna stick her arm in there and try to take that out. Is it moving?
No. Yes, it is.
Okay. Before you take it out completely, we're gonna move the catch bucket just in case anything drips out of that straight down into it. So, you good? You got
It's
it?
still kind of dripping out.
How much? Can you move it right to the edge, I guess?
Yeah.
And if you move it closer to you, that should take care of things.
Okay.
Okay.
Very good.
All right. So, go ahead and try to take that out. What do you think, Leslie? You're learning.
I love it. It's so interesting. Right.
You got it?
Yep.
You're not going to drop it?
Nope.
Perfect.
Hopefully.
Okay. Try to tip it.
Got it.
Let's see, how did you do that? What's that noise?
Could it be more oil coming out? Oh, it's just from the other hole. It's
What?
still slowly drizzling out. Stop.
Okay. Now we need to put the new one in if this one is done dripping. Yeah, it's done dripping. All right. So, gotta put the new one in.
Okay.
Before we put the new one in, we have to lube it. For real.
All right.
All right, so there's two things you can do. You lube it with the same oil that you're either gonna put in the car,
Okay.
or you can even use the old oil.
Okay.
So what I would ask you to do is dip your finger into the catch down there. No, in the
there.
big bucket under the,
Gotcha.
just to get a little bit on your finger, because you're gonna then use your finger
Uh-huh.
to rub around the
The edges.
the rubber right there.
Okay.
No, the rubber.
Okay.
See that?
Out here?
The black stuff, the rubber part. There you go. All right. So it's good and lubed.
Absolutely. It's
Okay.
ready to go.
Great. All right. Where'd you put the rag?
There you go.
Okay. Well, no, you need it.
Oh.
Yeah. So now when you put that back in, it's a lot harder to put back in because you can't see what you're doing.
Okay.
So give it your best shot. Are you feeling
Yep.
you're feeling for the shaft or something? Oh, you're going that way. All right.
Stop.
No. I'm just saying. I'm asking you because there is an actual shaft
Oh, is there?
that it's supposed to get put onto.
Okay. I believe this is the right spot.
Think so?
I hope so.
Okay, so before you screw it on tight,
Okay.
just know that you're supposed to have no resistance whatsoever when you're screwing it on.
Okay.
If you do have resistance, you mean you're doing it wrong, you're cross-threading it,
Okay.
that could be damaged.
There's no resistance.
Good,
It's
okay.
going on smoothly.
So just
Alright.
tighten it to the point where
It
it's,
won't move?
yeah. And then
Got
give it one more little hard crank because you don't want to ever put it on so tight that it can't come off.
Okay.
All right,
Got it.
so that's that.
Yeah.
Now what's next?
Going underneath or no? I don't know.
Yes,
Yeah.
why? Why would you go underneath?
Do I need to take out the bucket and place the bolt back on?
That's the one I was
Gotcha.
looking for.
Got
This
it.
bolt. So many people, the first time they're doing this, they forget to put that bolt back in and they put the new oil in and then there's a mess.
That's terrible.
So go ahead and get back under there and you're gonna put that bolt back in.
Right.
You got this.
Let's do it.
I hope you do it right because this is my car.
Yeah. No pressure.
No pressure at all.
Right. Now this is still dripping out. Do you want me to
That's
clean
okay.
it up?
No, that's okay. As you may be able to see under my car, it's pretty filthy anyway.
Right.
Because I do have a very, very small leak under there.
Oh, okay.
But nothing to be too worried about.
Gotcha.
And you shouldn't have any resistance putting that in either.
Nope, not at all.
Okay.
Do you want me to tighten it with
I do want you to tighten it.
Got it.
But really, all you need to do is tighten it to about as tight as you can do it.
Okay.
Yep.
Got it. Got it.
Got it? Mm-hmm. All right. I bet you that's just fine.
All right.
Let's hope.
Woo!
We're ready.
All right.
Now what?
Now we pour it in. Right?
Now we pour it in. Wait, before we do that at all. How do you think you're gonna get it from that big thing into that little hole?
So do we need a funnel?
We do need a funnel.
Gotcha.
Okay, so here's a funnel.
Neat.
You wanna make sure it's moderately clean.
Okay.
You know, make sure there's no like
Nasty
caterpillars or anything in it. Then the next thing we need to figure out is how much.
Okay.
How much do you put in?
Is there a certain line that I'm going to?
Yeah. All right. So what are we doing? We're putting the oil in now. You said.
Yes,
okay.
absolutely.
And what kind of oil are we using?
We're using Shell Rotella T6 synthetic
Why?
because Greg said so.
That's right. Because Greg said so. No, if you own a Miata that's older than say an NC, if you own an NA or an NB, you want to use this T6. It's good stuff. Okay, so you've got your that thing, the funnel. You've got
funnel.
this ready to go.
Yep.
And how much are we putting in?
Not all of it.
Not all of it, correct? Because we looked it up and it
Yes.
said what? It said like what
3.1, I think.
3.4, but that's
Yes.
fine. Okay, 3.4. All right, so there is a trick to doing this
Okay.
so that you're not going to pour oil all over my motor.
No.
No. Yeah, no.
No.
Okay.
Awesome.
So basically what you do is you pour it sideways, not like that.
Okay.
Because if you pour it sideways, it won't splatter. You can go around the other side. So,
yeah, you're right.
No, that right there, right there. All right, good assisting.
Yep.
All right, so you just pour it in this way.
Way easier.
Way easier. So you're now going to give it a shot.
God.
Careful that. Yep. There you go. Got to use some muscles.
Yeah.
It's good. Put the light on this thing. Also, make sure if you're going to be doing engine or car maintenance to do it in a tube top.
Yes. And booty shorts.
Very important. Booty shorts.
Yep. Need that breeze.
Yeah. Of course, because it's December 16th
In Florida.
in Florida.
Yep.
So what you can't see is that you're dripping oil all over the place, but that's okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna check the dipstick level.
Awesome.
And apparently we need 40 paper towels for that. That's good. No, it's fine.
Okay.
I'd rather you be extra clean than not.
Okay.
All right, so you know where the dipstick is, yeah?
Why don't you show us?
All right, well, the dipstick is yellow, so
Okay, right there.
yeah, there you go.
Gotcha.
Good. Now, before you put it back in, do you know what you'll be looking for?
There's a certain line that it should be at, right?
Where?
Good question. It's gonna be down here,
Yeah,
where the F is.
where the F is.
Right, that.
Right there. Okay.
All right, let's see it.
Let's see how your aim
Stick
is.
it in.
Stick what?
Sorry.
Stick it in. Good. Shove it all the way in. There you go. Pull it all the way out. Good. All right.
Can you see it?
It's really hard to tell.
Mm-hmm.
That was kind of a trick question. So we're just gonna pour about 4 quarts in, and hopefully that'll be about enough. You might be getting a little close. Maybe.
Here we go. We did it.
Yeah. So one of the worst things you can do is put too much oil inside the motor, because then you're going to have to figure out a way to get it out without draining all of it.
That sucks.
Yeah. It does suck.
Could you reuse the stuff that
You could, yeah.
Okay.
If you had a clean pan that you
Okay.
could drain it out into.
Gotcha.
But you know, it's really best just to know how much you're supposed to put in and then only put that much back in. The fun thing about oil is you can run your car low on oil.
Oh, okay.
You just don't want to run it high on oil, because
Right.
that creates a pressure problem, and then things could blow out and it could be a big problem. So what we'll do is we will clean this all up
Okay.
and then put it back down, start it up.
Yeah.
We'll start it again, and we'll check to make sure that it's, wow, that shouldn't be like this. This should be tighter.
Ooh.
Okay, we're gonna get a screwdriver on that. And then we'll check the level once it's been running a little bit, make sure it is the right, proper level, and then if we need to add some, we add some.
Awesome.
Good?
Let's
All right.
do it.
Hey, all right. So Leslie's been distracting me with her booty shorts and her tube top. We put the car down on the ground and started it up for a little bit, and then we checked the level, and it was
Super low.
not super low, just
a little
low.
bit.
Yeah. So you're gonna put about a half quart in, and you might want to check where you're starting from so you know how much to put in. So just add some, I guess. Ah, see. Now you've learned.
Yes, I have.
You done learned. Maybe a little more, yeah. Okay. And you're definitely dripping it down the side, so pull that away so that you can
I'll clean it, I promise.
situate that. No, it's all good. All right. We've determined that it's still a little low. And what I missed out showing you all was Leslie leaning over a running motor with her hair
Yep.
falling down into the fans.
Recommend it. Nope.
Yeah, would have been a good
much are we-
bad day. You know, like a half.
Okay.
Something like that. How soon you forget how to turn the bottle sideways.
sorry.
It's okay.
It's so
You're
awkward.
not. It is awkward. You're not spilling it, which is fine.
Okay.
Learned. All right, we're testing one more time. What do we got? Woo! You can clearly see that that is well within the mid-range, and this won't focus on you anymore. There you go. All right. Look at that. You changed the oil in a car that you own also.
Yes.
So you can do it one day. All right, now we clean up, and that is to put the old oil back into our container so that we can take it back to an auto parts store and recycle it. All right, Leslie, so you changed the oil. How hard was it on a scale of 1 to 4?
Probably a 3.5. I'm just kidding. No, it was pretty simple.
Yeah,
I
very
learned a
simple.
lot today, so
Yeah,
thank
but
you.
for somebody who didn't even know where the oil cap
Yeah.
was, you've learned quite a bit. I'm very proud of you. Good job. I will know in a couple of days if the motor seizes up and destroys because
Yes.
something got done wrong. Yeah, there's no oil leaking from the bottom, is there? You didn't even look. All right. So to celebrate, you learned something new. I'll take this.
Yay!
You have to close the hood because we're done.
Okay.
That's it. That means we're done.
Cheers.
Congratulations.
Good shit.
Yeah. You don't have to drink that. So that is going to do it for this video. Let me know if you'd like to see Leslie work on her car more, because I know she's got some stuff to do and I got lots of stuff to teach her. So we'll do a little series of us fixing up her car if you want. I don't know if they're going to want that though. I don't.
It is what it is.
You'll see.
If not, hell yeah.
We're gonna do it anyway, so who knows? Maybe this is the start of something new. And I guess that's it. Bye.